apartment tour day. So welcome to our little humble abode, our home away from home. My name is Marie and I'm a South African living in Singapore, and yeah, I like to make videos about life abroad and take you on adventures with me to see what it is like living in Singapore and, you know, explore the world around us. So if you're curious to see how other people live, well, stick around. I'm gonna take you around our apartment and show you what it looks like inside. It is super tiny, but you know, it's our home away from home and it's cozy. So yeah, let me take you around. Well, this is basically almost it, but let's go. So I can literally do a tour for you by doing a 360 spin and you can see the whole apartment basically. So this is our home away from home, the wash up area and our little area where I make coffee in the mornings and wash. My favorite part is the bedroom because look at all the glass, the windows. It just makes this room feel 10 times bigger than it actually is, and it just gives you that really high up living feeling that you get, that you want to have when you live in the city. So really like opening the blinds or the curtains and then just having this fantastic view of the city, which is even more beautiful at night. It's really nice and private and it fits into our budget. Housing can get very expensive in Singapore. It really depends on your need, where you want to stay. We live quite close to MRT stops and we live quite central, so it is a little bit more expensive, but we actually got a very good offer. When we came to view the apartment, we were desperate for a place, and also the owner was quite desperate to fill this apartment. We offered her $400 less than asking price and she gave it to us. And now I'm seeing that the other apartments in this building that's exactly the same as ours, one bedroom, goes asking price is $800 more than what we are paying. So it really depends on the owner and how the market is doing and so forth. It depends on how much you will pay. Alright, so that is the tour of our apartment. Yeah, like I said, it's cozy and cozy. So we love it. It's perfect for us at this moment in our lives. We don't need anything more, and we'd rather save a little bit than spend more money on a bigger place, because we would rather like to use the money for traveling and all of that. So check out some of my other videos where I try out all the funky, weird, interesting food in Singapore. And yeah, if you're interested in food, life in Singapore, click the subscribe button, hit the bell notification, and look out for a video from me every week about life in Singapore. So I hope you have a fantastic day. Thank you for staying until the end. Well done. And have a fantastic day. All right, bye.